Opal Ashes Channel Ring. Hi, I'm Nikki Kaminga, and today I'm showing you how to make an easy cremation ashes channel ring with green opal flecks. I'm using one of the DIY kits available on my website keepsakersupplies.com. There's a link in the description or a link tree in the bio. All you need at home is a UV lamp or torch and some supplies you might already have. I use a tiny spoon and some tweezers. You don't need a lathe or turner for this project. In the kit you will get a dust mask, some gloves, label backing paper, sandpaper, UV resin, some cocktail sticks, channel ring and some sparkle mix. These channel rings are made from anti-tarnish solid Argentium silver that's a little purer than sterling. I have a 200-gram bottle of Padico Stardrop, which is my favourite UV resin, so I'm using that today along with a new Dolphin Silver Resin Sparkle Mix, which will be my background colour. Put a small amount of resin and sparkle mix on a piece of label backing paper. These are my cat Husky's ashes, and they have some really large pieces of bone. Some crematoria have older cremulators, the machines which grind the bones into powder, and you can get bigger pieces which I don't think look as nice in jewellery. You can grind the ashes a little more in a pestle and mortar if you want to. Mix the ashes with the sparkle mix and resin. Triple check your ring is the correct size. As it's a wider band ring, it is best to go a bit bigger than your client's finger. If your client is a UK size O or US 7, then I'd recommend suggesting they go for a P or 7.5. I'm using a silicone ring stick here, but you can use a ring sizing stick or even some rolled up cardboard. Add the sparkly ash resin in a very thin layer, being careful not to let it go over the edge. Cure it under your UV lamp for about 20 seconds whilst turning constantly. Whenever I use a UV lamp, I use a piece of cardboard covered with tin foil to protect myself from UV damage. Prop the mandrel on a bowl so it doesn't touch the lamp and cure at least once on each side. You don't need a low heat setting. For the second layer, I'm adding a thin layer of the ashes and sparkle mix resin, then sprinkling on some of these gorgeous mint synthetic opal pieces. They're on keepsakersupplies.com too. Cure again the same way as before. The third layer should be clear resin, and I'm adding a little more of the mint opal pieces and a few grains of ashes. Try to be careful so that nothing pokes past the edge of the ring, and cure again. The fourth layer will be just clear resin or some top coat, and if you've been careful and nothing is poking out, your ring is finished. If, however, you have some ashes or opal disturbing the surface, then it's easy to fix by sanding it back. I use one of these magic silver polishing sticks, link in the description. The green side is about 2000 grit and removes the extra. The white side is about 6000 grit and shines up the silver again. Once you're happy, add a layer of clear resin or top coat and cure again. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like to see more like it in the future. Do you like how this ring turned out? Have you been put off making channel rings in the past because people often use expensive equipment and do lots of sanding? Now relax and do some crafting.